Hey good people, and welcome back to another video of Connect and Create, except it's a little bit different this time. This is the unboxing of our art kits. These art kits support the Netflix watch party that we are having, showing the Babysitters Club. I'm Jayda.
I'm Tajah.
I'm Addison.
And we're gonna jump right in and get started. Here's the flyer for the watch party. Check us out on Instagram if you haven't already. And make sure to follow at BGCMA.
First off, you get your handy dandy canvas and your paints and some brushes. And for that, you can make your own scenes, whatever you want. You can paint whatever you want on your canvas.
I think I'm going to talk about the food that comes in each kit. So it looks like you get 2 packs of popcorn, or maybe I just got lucky. It may just be one. A Capri Sun, if you get thirsty while you're doing all this art. Sour Patch Kids, or you might have gummy worms or fruit snacks. Addie, what do you want to show us?
I want to show you the slime kit. We have clear glue, also the activator, but do not drink even though it looks like water.
Nice. So you made those, you turned this into that, is what you're telling me.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
And I made these evidence of the glitter. I don't think that's in your kits, but if you have some at home, do what you want. Decorate them how you want. They can be real cute.
Nice. Tajah, does that one open up? Is it like a little drawer?
Yep. Little drawer, you can put your little earrings and whatnots in there.
So it looks like you actually built yours perfectly. If you haven't seen Connect and Create with Mary and Jayda, go check out the video of us building the vanity kit, because funny enough, it may or may not have turned out correctly. Here's the final product. Feel free to throw some color on it and make it fun. Make it your own. And they have the instructions attached as well, so that's super cool. Feel free to make some origami or fortune tellers.
You have these little origami papers, so you can make some little origami charms, like bracelets or necklaces.
Oh, I was wondering what this random stack was for. So cool. It looks like your stack of origami papers could be in any random color. Mine are pink, hers are green.
Mine are pink.
We're twins.